Hello and welcome to this presentation on leadership skills. Leadership skills are the abilities that help you guide others and achieve goals. They are useful for any role, level, or industry. In this presentation, we will cover 1. What leadership skills are and why they matter. 2. The 6 key leadership skills and how to use them. 3. How to assess and improve your leadership skills. Leadership skills are the qualities that enable you to influence others. They include 1. Emotional intelligence, understanding and managing emotions. 2. Relationship building, creating and maintaining connections. 3. Communication, conveying information clearly and effectively. 4. Decision making, making sound and timely choices. 5. Delegation, assigning tasks and responsibilities. 6. Problem solving, finding solutions and overcoming challenges. Leadership skills are important because they help you 1. Perform better in your current role. 2. Advance your career to higher level positions. 3. Contribute to the success of your team, project, or organization. 4. Grow as a person and a leader. To improve your leadership skills, you can 1. Practice mindfulness and meditation. 2. Reflect on your feelings and actions. 3. Seek feedback from others. 4. Listen actively and respectfully. 5. Express gratitude and appreciation. 6. Be friendly and approachable. 7. Show interest and curiosity. 8. Give praise and recognition. 9. Ask for help and offer help. 10. Celebrate successes and learn from failures. 11. Plan your message and choose your medium. In conclusion, leadership skills are the abilities that help you guide others and achieve goals. They include emotional intelligence, relationship building, communication, decision making, delegation, and problem solving. Leadership skills are important for your performance, career, team, project, organization, and personal growth. To improve your leadership skills, you can practice various techniques and seek feedback from others. Thank you for your attention and I hope you learned something useful today.